What's going on? It's Anton with the Foundation 101. And today I want to talk about how there's been a shift. Due to the recent pandemic, everything's had to move online. People are having to stay home. So a lot of our favorite television shows are aired from people's homes. I've seen concerts from home. I've seen church services, business meetings, even the NFL draft was all from everyone's houses. So now that being said, it's also kind of like enlightening people on wanting to start their own online course or have an area available for their business where people can go through different videos and modules and have resources, plentiful resources, similar to this page you see right here. So this right here is what you call a members area. This is my digital online course called the Foundation 101. You're actually watching a video that's going to be inside of the course. And basically it's my portal. I'm able to put any videos, documents, resources, links, buttons, whatever I need for, people to help guide people in the right directions with my course. So this is my members area. You can, as you see at the top here, I have a link to the Facebook group. I have a free PDF here that I actually advise people to read through the PDF to give them a head start on what I'm going to be covering in all of my trainings. And you can actually have drop down menus. I have a welcome video, the one you see here. In each section, basically different videos covering different topics. And you can give more information in text form. I actually have a link to one of my favorite books that I talk about in this video. On the welcome video, I have a button here for you to get the PDF, and I always keep it in the top corner as well. And below that, I have a place for you to be able to join the Facebook group to get added support. And then I've got each section with different lessons, each lessons and modules, whatever you want to call it. I have drop down menus that pretty much are able to give people access to whatever they need to be able to be successful. So I want to take you through the entire funnel just to show you how all of it works. Now, this can be used for a business if you have a training portal, or if you need a training portal for your business to for people that are new coming on. You want to show them the ropes, show them what your company is about, different training modules on things they're going to need to know with the job. Then you don't have to have somebody sitting right there, hands-on trying to help them through the process, especially in the times we're in right now, because you cannot be close to people. So this is a good resource to have so you can lay everything out in a linear format to where people can be trained properly the way you would like them to be. This is really good for workout programs, cooking programs. You can do this for, I'm about to start making one for ministries, churches and ministries. You can show teachings based on different subjects. So you'll have like the drop down menu for each subject. And it's really powerful. If you have one of these members areas, it's your portal. It's basically your portal, private portal for people that either purchase the course or it could be a free course. It's totally up to you. Another cool thing about this format is you can actually have some sections here that are free to everyone. So you're allowed to create your login credentials, and then you will have access to certain sections, but then you'll have a lock. You can have a lock on certain sections to where people cannot get that until they purchase a certain part of your course, which I think that's pretty awesome as well, because you can actually, still give value to people who might not have the money at the time. But then when they see that you're legit, they see that you're onto something good, then they'll be able to have an option to go and unlock all of the rest of the course for a price, which is really powerful. Now I'm going to take you through the entire funnel. I started out with a free PDF. It's what you call a lead magnet. So it's the 6 essential elements of internet marketing. It's something I wrote. I kind of like poured in a few of the things that I learned and made it into a PDF format. And it kind of leads people to the course. So basically I've got the landing page for that here. And this is all built in with this funnel. So people click here, they get the PDF, they leave their email address. They're instantly sent this email. It's an automation. So basically I'm just, kind of warming up my audience a little bit. And here's the PDF. They click on this PDF, they have instant access to it right away. And then I also give them an offer to join my Facebook group down at the bottom here too. And then I also have all of my social media links to where, they'll have instant access to any of my digital assets that I have out there. Then they're taken to a thank you page. So on the thank you page, I have a video here to where it starts talking about the Foundation 101 course. So, I'm going to give you the 6 elements of internet marketing. Now I'm going to take you through each element and show you useful strategies and skills that's going to help you along the way. And that's going to be for a cost. So on the thank you page, I like to tell people where to look for emails, check the spam folder, just in case. This kind of sells the course, and then I got steps to where they can join my Facebook group and actually subscribe to the YouTube channel as well. And then, so say I have a person there like interested into the course. So what they would do, they would click get the Foundation 101 now. So then they're taken to a sales page, which tells about the course and what's inside, and then an order form right here. So then this is where they actually pay to actually get access to the course. Now, once they pay to get access to the course, they have to create a login here, and then they'll have access to the actual members area, which is the course. Now, I know this might seem complicated. It's really not. It is not necessarily easy, but it's simple. It's very simplified. The software I'm using for this is called ClickFunnels. It's a drag and drop funnel builder. It makes it easy for us to upload digital products, create digital products, and actually be able to sell it all from the website. You can process secure payments and actually and it's built to be able to deliver your digital products to people instantly. So the PDF is my digital asset. So all I do is go to my account settings, and then I go to digital assets, and then I just click add new asset. So basically I add the PDF, and then the PDF is given, here it is right here. It's given an actual URL. So I can copy the asset path. That's basically I copy once it's actually uploaded into my account, I've got it as a digital asset. So that's just a really cool thing to have. You can actually upload these items into your account, and you can make them into a button. You can send them through email. You can post a link, send a link, text a link to somebody, and they have access to your digital product that they purchased from you or didn't purchase, or they just opted in for. So that's a really good feature. So say you're into personal training and health and fitness, and you want to start a course. You can I actually have a template for a funnel, similar funnel. You have your own full website. You can have home about, testimonials. You can have videos just showing what you're offering, and you can add similar to the digital asset upload I did for my PDF. You could add a meal plan. So you could do like a 30-day meal plan in PDF form. That could be your front end offer. And then it takes you to your course. You can have like a online, personal training course. Say like a 40-day, look, here's a 45-day program. So You can have your sales video here, and then people, read more about it, go down to the bottom, and then they actually pay you for your online training course. And it's the same deal. They go to your members area, so they create their account after they've paid, and they go to your members area. And the way I have it laid out right here is you can have like week 1, and I didn't put any drop down menus for this because I haven't built this out yet, but you can have week 1, week 2. You can have the meal plan access right here too. They've already got your PDF, but here's the meal plan right here. And just like I mentioned before, you can have anything you want in your portal. They've already paid you. I highly suggest you have a Facebook group to help support them and help them along the way as well. It just helps, you to give full value in your product. So I just wanted people to know about this. I mean, this is the perfect time for it. It's a time where we're starting to realize that you can do more online. People are starting to get more familiar with the online world, and it's a great time if you actually have the opportunity to be able to teach something, or if you want to put a part of your business into a portal so that people have access to it. This is a great way to do it. So if you have any questions about this, just join my Facebook group. Once you get inside, I can show you how to put all of this together. I can even give you a copy of this funnel or any other funnel I might have. I have about 17 or 18 different business funnels that I can actually give you to be able to use. You just swap out all of your logos and set up your account properly. I'll show you how to do that as well. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, join my Facebook group, and I'll see you inside.